Hi everyone, it's Galen, design team member for Unity Stamp Company. Today I'm sharing a fun embossed and ombre style tag and a stamped money holder. This is great for the holidays when of course they all want cash these days. So I'm using the Unity Stamp Company kit called Say It Big Holidays. It has these great giant sentiments that are wonderful. You can mix and match them. I'm using some blue twine and I'm using Background Builders stamps. They're the seasonal set 1 and 2 by Ann Butler. I'm using Clear Snap Color Box ink in 3 colors, EK Success powder tool, paper tray ink cardstock vellum, and I'm using the original Misty. I use gray cardstock or just gray paper. It can be double-sided paper, but solid for the stamping. So I just picked 3 strips that would fit on the front of this envelope cut. Now I use my Creative Time money holder die to cut this out, but you can use an existing money envelope or any envelope that has color. Or you can use a white envelope and use color ink on it to stamp, to decorate it. So I heat embossed that. I stamped it in Versamark and heat embossed it in white and heat set that. Now on vellum, I'm going to add the powder before the embossing. So to stamp, I used Clear Snap Color Box ink in 3 colors. I'm going to do an ombre style. I start in the middle with a light color, sort of a mint, and then I use a darker color at the bottom, and I let it bleed over to the lighter color a little bit just to make a different shade of blue there on the edge. Now I use another lighter shade of blue on the top. So I'm going to do 2 passes with this technique, just variegating the colors with the stamping. I thought blue would go good with gray, so I wanted a blue tag to go with the gray and white envelope. So I'm just using those colors again and restamping, and I clean it with a baby wipe. Now it's important to go from light to dark on this kind of stamping. I know I messed up on the last one and I started dark to light, but you know, it's okay. That's crafting. So I heat set that with white and with clear embossing powder. So if you're using a color ink, you use clear embossing powder. If you're using clear ink, you can use a color embossing powder like white on the envelope. So I fold the scored lines on the die cut and just get it ready to embellish. To fold and to seal the envelope, I use extra tacky tape called Wonder Tape. It helps keep the envelope sealed properly so that it doesn't flap back open. And I just tie a little piece of twine there. With the tag, I like to just add a bit of adhesive to keep the tag where I like it, to keep the tag in place on top of the envelope, and added a few adhesive dots. And there you go. This is a gift envelope that's ready, perfect for the size of cash, just what everybody wants. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.